So you want to create the best portfolio on Behance? Let's dive in. Hello everyone, today we are diving into the process of creating your very first portfolio on Behance, a platform designed by Adobe to showcase your creative projects. Whether you're an artist, designer, or any type of creative professional, this portfolio can help you share your work with the world and attract potential clients or employees from top companies. So the first step is to create an account if you haven't already. I've included a link on the description below for you to sign up. You can create your account using Google, Facebook, or Apple credentials. So I'm going to sign up using my Google account. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and you will be greeted by the Behance homepage. Once logged in, you will be prompted to select a few things that you like. This is very important because Behance Tailor will match your interest with the content you are looking in. Okay, so Michael, for example, photography, and press see my custom feed. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is find inspiration. You have to check a lot of portfolios from another people, and you have to think what you can do to attract employees or whatever. So check everything up and find the correct inspiration. Now you have to press share your work, press project, and here you can create your first project. So you can check here, for example, I'm going to grab a thumbnail that I use on any of my videos, for example this one, and here you can use all the tools that you have to make your perfect project look good. Here you can change the background color, the content spacing, press save, and you have a lot of options to do everything. You have a Lightroom to use, you can import things from Lightroom library, photo grid, you can add a lot of images. As you can see, I added 2 images, and here you have to share your art, your everything you do to people look for you. So if this video helped you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and that's it. You've now created your first Behance portfolio. There's plenty more to explore, including live streaming and community features, but now focus on getting your portfolio polished and ready to share. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye, and this is the way.